Hello, my name is Sanika Chavan and I live in Talegaon, Tabade, Pune. Recently, I completed my master's degree in computer science. In September 2024, I have joined QSpider as an incubation student, and after that, my internship will be goes on. And here, I have chosen the course as the Python full stack developer, and it is a basically merged course, Python full stack plus data analysis. And the trainers here which will teaches us, so that the trainers are very good and they have a lot of knowledge about the technology which they are providing to us. And about the mock and presentation, because of mock and presentation, it will build our experience, and it will build our confidence to talk with another persons also. So in QSpider there is a group discussion also, so we can discuss with our friends in with speaking in English. So this is about the mock and presentation.